Hello traders, welcome to Trading the Trend. I am Dennis and this is my weekend look at the market trends in the broader markets, and let's get right into it. S&P 500 weekly chart, and you can see this thing just is not slowing down. Another solid week up, even after a somewhat weak jobs number on Friday. The market pretty much shake that off. I don't think there can be a bad jobs number anymore. If the jobs number is bad, then the Fed will step in and stimulate the economy, and if the jobs rate is good, then everyone thinks everything's fine in the economy. So there is no bad news in this market. Looking at the Dow, same situation. Just continues to move higher, all-time highs. Good chance we could see 23,000 in the Dow this week. Nasdaq, same situation, all-time highs. There's not really a weak part of the market right now. It just keeps moving up. And then let's look at the dollar index. U.S. dollar. Now, this is where you find a little strange. Usually when the stocks are up, the dollar is down, but that's been just the opposite. Stocks have been up and the dollar has been up. We just finished a 4-week rally in the dollar. Not sure if it's going to break this downtrend yet. We're at some pretty solid overhead resistance at the 94 mark, so we'll have to see if we can break above that and finish above 94. If it does, then this trend could continue. If not, we'll be looking for a solid reversal here. Next thing to look at is U.S. oil, and speaking of solid reversals, we definitely got that in oil. The week before we had the long upper tail. That usually is not a good sign, and we got continuation off of that, and a very down candle. We're back below $50, so we'll see where this goes from here. Maybe if all the hurricanes are done with, oil productions will pick up again, and this might continue to move its way down. The energy sector, kind of a inside candle this past week, so that could go either way. I mean, it's had a good up run, but if gas prices are going to, or excuse me, if oil prices are going to drop, this could pull back some itself. Next thing to look at is gold and silver. Bit of a reversal in gold. We've been waiting for this downtrend to end 4 weeks in a row, counting this one here. So downtrend hasn't been broken yet, but that's a pretty good reversal candle there this past week. So maybe we hit a bottom, momentary bottom. The trend has been up in this thing, but we keep having these pullbacks, and this could just be a normal pullback before our next move higher. Silver, same situation, except silver actually put in a positive week, so that's a good sign for silver. The gold miners, I had a good week, almost a engulfing candle on the upside for them, but maybe this is turning around. We want to see the gold miners lead the metals. And then we're going to take a quick look at our cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin weekly chart. Okay, so this is the week we just finished, and we had continuation after the reversal chart from the week before. So Bitcoin is getting close to its all-time high again, and actually Bitcoin is really strong here. Compared to the rest of the cryptocurrency market, Bitcoin is now above 50%. So Bitcoin is actually worth more than all 1,150 other cryptocurrencies. So that's a good sign for Bitcoin. No matter how many new currencies we see out there, none of them can seem to unseat Bitcoin as the number one. Ethereum, you can see the difference between Ethereum and Bitcoin. Ethereum is creeping up, but ever so slowly. Litecoin, if I can get it to load, there it goes. Litecoin actually had a down week. Not much of a down week, but it's still consolidating, just like Ethereum is, but all the action is in Bitcoin right now. So anyway, that's what I got for you for this week. So the market is just extremely bullish right now, which of course is always a nervous time. Not really a good time to be betting the farm on the market to continue to go higher. You want to wait for those pullbacks, and that's kind of what I'm looking at. I might be looking to take some profits this week and wait for the next pullback. Anyway, that's what I got for you, and I will catch you all later on my thread.